This case, of course, has been going on for 3 years. I know you've fought very hard to keep it in juvenile court.
That's right.
What was behind the decision for Hunter to plead in the case today?
Well, we haven't disclosed to the public that this offer has been on the table for some time. And in fact, it was on the table immediately after he was certified as an adult. The state agreed to keep it on the table during the appeal process, it's really never been a question about, in my view, given the overwhelming evidence, it's been more a question of where he would be adjudicated as opposed to whether he would accept responsibility. And so that's the deal. The offer has been in the works for a long time. We didn't want to disclose that in case he decided at some point down the road that he wanted to go to trial. But anyway, but I don't think it's really ever been a question about that. It's been, is it going to stay in juvenile court or is it going to be in adult court?
Do your feelings remain that he is a young person and this should have stayed in juvenile court?
Well, I respectfully disagreed with Judge Valdez. I have tremendous regard for him. I think he's a fabulous judge. But I disagreed with it. Hunter was 14 years, 2 months, and while he has a relatively large and tough exterior, he was barely a 14-year-old. And I know what he did is horribly wrong, but there's a lot of science now that addresses brain development and those sorts of things, and how the brain develops, especially in males and juvenile males. So, yeah, I wish we'd been able to keep it in juvenile court. We didn't. We got it remanded, but then it came back. So
he's looking at a tough sentence now.
He is. He is. The state's not seeking life without parole. He's looking at 20 years to life, and maybe consecutive or concurrent with whatever the judge decides on the aggravated kidnapping charge.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.